In January 2021, France closed many border points, arguing prevention against terrorism and COVID restriction. 1 year and 9 months later, the border at the Coll de Banyuls in Catalonia remains closed. Some huge rocks are blocking the road. 9 months ago, following our written question on the matter, the Commission informed us of a dialogue with the government of France to open the border. Furthermore, the Court of Justice has concluded that internal border controls by Member States cannot exceed 6 months. Today's report emphasises the risk of underdevelopment in border regions and calls for more, no less, openness and cooperation. Border closures separate families, friends and neighbours and thwart economic, cultural and political freedoms. It is ironic that decades after the freedom of movement was enshrined as the cornerstone of our Union, Spain and France remain unrelentless in their aim to separate Catalans north and south of the border, trying to erase our language, our culture and our history, and literally setting rocks on the road to divide us. This is intolerable and must end. French authorities must open the border pass. Obriu el Coll de Banyuls. Thank you very much.